Have you ever come across a flashy new crypto project claiming to be the next big thing, promising 100x returns, telling you that if you don't jump in now, you'll miss the future? Wait, before you invest your hard-earned money, stop, research, and analyze. Because in crypto, hype is cheap, but information is gold. Welcome to PayFunds Academy, your dedicated crypto learning hub under the PayFunds main channel. This playlist is specially crafted to help you understand, not just invest. And today, we're teaching you how to properly analyze any crypto project before putting your money into it. So, how do you know if a project is legit or just another scam in disguise? It starts with one simple mindset: due diligence. You never want to invest blindly, no matter how popular a coin is or how many influencers are shouting its name. First, look at the project's white paper. This is their blueprint. A strong white paper clearly explains the problem the project is trying to solve, how the technology works, what the token's purpose is, and how the team plans to execute their roadmap. If the white paper is vague, overhyped, or filled with buzzwords without clarity, that's a red flag. Next, examine the team behind the project. Are they public or anonymous? Do they have relevant experience in blockchain, tech, or finance? Transparency matters. A credible team will often have LinkedIn profiles, past projects, and clear reputations in the space. If there's no verifiable team, think twice. You should also study the tokenomics, meaning how the token is distributed, what its use case is, and whether the supply is fixed or inflationary. If a few wallets hold most of the supply, or if the token has no real utility, it could be a pump and dump scheme waiting to happen. Then comes the community and ecosystem. A healthy crypto project usually has a strong, active, and engaged community. Check their presence on platforms like X, formerly Twitter, Discord, Telegram, or Reddit. Are people asking questions and getting answers? Is there transparency in communication? Or is the project hiding behind marketing and memes? Don't forget to assess the code and security audits. Is the project open source? Has it been audited by a credible third-party firm? Many rug pulls happen because investors ignore the fact that smart contracts weren't even tested properly. Also, look at the partnerships and real-world use cases. Are they building something people actually need? Are they solving a real problem or just launching another meme token with no value? Most importantly, always trust your instincts. If something feels off, too good to be true, or rushed, it probably is. And finally, before investing in any project, make sure you're storing your crypto securely. A trusted wallet like PayFunds can keep your assets safe from centralized risks, giving you peace of mind as you explore this space. Remember, investing in crypto isn't just about following trends. It's about understanding what you're backing. Because real wealth is built on real knowledge. This is where smart crypto minds are shaped. This is PayFunds Academy. PayFunds, your keys, your crypto, your freedom.